Hey, how's it going everyone, and welcome back to another holiday vlog. So today we're going to take a visit to the Algar Waterfalls. Really looking forward to this, and not just because of visiting them, because there's a part where you can go swimming there as well. So really looking forward to it, and hope you enjoy this holiday vlog as well.
Poor David's torn. That's too much.
Just got to wait before we get in. Oh, this looks brilliant, this. How incredible is this? Wow. Oh, these are fantastic, these. Absolutely brilliant. Just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. These are. To go back a bit and across the bridge next. Right, so we're going to cross the bridge now. Boil. The views are just stunning. Well, this looks like the place where you might, looks like where you go swimming for a bit, have a dip. Oh, I'm sweating, so I might get myself in, even that's going to be absolutely freezing. But let's do this. Well, some people are just paddling in at the moment. I've just got my foot in. Boy, it's freezing, alright, but yeah. Well, I just got myself in there. That was a nice cool down, but boy, it's cold in there. It's not great to swim and all that with all the rocks, and the current is pretty strong as well, but surely we'll be heading back down to get something to eat, drink, and also there's a pool there we can take a dip in as well, so that'll be a little bit more better. Right, so just heading back down now. Gonna get some food and something to eat and maybe have a dip in the pool there. So that will feel a bit more better. My feet are killing me after walking on them rocks. Right, so we're down now. So now we're gonna head and get something to eat now. It's food time. Time for a swim now. Well, then, that's the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. It's been a great day out here today, seeing the waterfall. Next time you'll probably catch me is for the preview for the Brighton game. So yeah, just gonna be borne back on the coach to get back into Benidorm. So hope you, as I said, hope you enjoyed it. Comment what you think as well. Give me a like, And if you're also new and haven't checked me out, please make sure you do hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all later. Take care of yourselves.